Ladies and gentlemen, Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Tagbilaran. The time is 25 minutes past the hour of 4 in the afternoon. The date today is 26th of April 2017. Remain seated with your seatbelts fastened as a sudden brake may cause you to fall. Do not remove items from the overhead bins until the aircraft has come to complete stop. Please check areas around you for items you might leave behind. For more information, you may find our best fares and latest promotions at our website, philippineairlines.com. On behalf of Captain Sibayan and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay. Mga binibining at Ginoo, maligayang pagdating sa Tagbilaran. Manatiling nakaupo at nakakabit ng seatbelt hanggang ang aeroplano ay ganap ng nakahinto. Mag-ingat lamang po sa pagkuha ng gamit mula sa overhead stowage bins upang maiwasan ang pagkahulog nito sa inyo at sa inyong katabi. Bago po kayo bumaba, tiyakin lamang na sa inyo na lahat ng inyong gamit. Sa ngalan ng Philippine Airlines, kami po ay taus-puso nagpapasalamat sa inyong pagtangkilik. Inaasahan namin na muli tayo magkikita. Paalam na po at maligayang pagdating sa Tagbilaran.